Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa without jalapenos. First, select about 5 ripe tomatoes and 1 medium onion. You'll want to roast these with 3 cloves of garlic until they are slightly softened and caramelized. This simple step brings out a wonderful natural sweetness and a rich, smoky depth, forming the perfect mild base for your delicious homemade salsa. It's a fantastic way to build flavor without any heat. Now let's add some vibrant flavors. Once your roasted vegetables have cooled slightly, transfer them to a food processor. Add a generous handful of fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 whole lime, and about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. These ingredients are key to creating that authentic salsa taste without relying on spicy peppers. They provide a beautiful balance of freshness and warmth. Next, it's time to blend everything together. Pulse the mixture in your food processor until you reach your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smoother. Then, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. If your tomatoes were a bit tart, a tiny pinch of sugar can really round out the flavors beautifully, creating a perfectly balanced salsa. Your delicious, mild salsa is almost ready. For the best flavor, transfer it to a bowl and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Serve it with your favorite tortilla chips as a topping for tacos or alongside grilled chicken. It's a versatile and flavorful addition to any meal, and it keeps well for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.